Brand name Guanqin. Water resistance depth bar. Clasp type push button hidden clasp. Style fashion and casual. Movement mechanical hand wind. Band length inch. Case material stainless steel. Shock resistant. Model number Tourbillon Watch. Case shape round. Band width mm. Case thickness mm. Dial window material type sapphire crystal. Boxes and cases material wood. Item type mechanical wristwatches. Dial diameter mm. Band material type leather. Item type mechanical wristwatches. Item type AESOP Automatic Watch. Watch feature Tourbillon Watch. Watch feature 3 circle. Key businessmen watch. Key day and night. Key Sapphire Mirror. Key Tourbillon Watch. Key skeleton Tourbillon Watch. Package weight .kg, .pound. Package size cmx cmx cm, .nx.nx.in. Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,